welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today we're going to show you how to assemble quick and easy ghost suckers. All you need are 3 items. First, your Tootsie Roll Pops, then coffee filters, and tiny rubber bands. Now let's assemble the ghosts. Okay, ready guys? Get your suckers, and then you're going to put your coffee filter over your sucker. And then you secure it with your rubber band.
Oh, yeah.
And these are tiny hair rubber bands that you can get at the drugstore or the grocery store in the hair department. So I found these rubber bands are easiest, especially when you have small kids trying to assemble these. Great job!
I tried.
Good job.
Now
If you want to add a little extra pizzazz to your ghost, you can add a little face to circles and like an oval, and some ribbon or twine to give it a cute little bow. Here you go. Do you want to add a ghost face?
I want to go face too. Can I eat it? Can I eat it?
Yes, you can eat it. Thank you for watching us assemble these ghost suckers.
Thank you for watching.
Have a happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Please like and subscribe for more fun, easy treats.
Bye, the guy for more fun, easy tea.